Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out from your account on the imToken wallet application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the imToken wallet app on your device, and once you open it up, since you are already logged in, you will directly be taken into your wallet page. Now, if you wish to log out from your wallet account, go ahead and tap on My Profile at the bottom right corner. From here, tap on Manage Wallets, and you will now see your current wallet that is added onto your account. Tap on the arrow button alongside, and you will now see the Remove button at the top right corner. Go ahead and tap on it, and you will now be asked whether you are sure that you want to remove your wallet. You can tap on the Remove button, and you will be asked to enter your wallet password. Just type in the password that you have set while creating your wallet, and then tap on Remove. And now, this wallet will be removed from your account right away, which means that you have now been logged out successfully. If you wish to log back in, you can tap on the Import button and proceed forward using your private key, your key store, or your mnemonic phrase. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log out from your account on the imToken wallet application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.